Hello, what's up everybody? Donruss Sports Car Collector here. Today I'm going to do a quick recap video. Today I did open 3 blasters off camera. You know, I've been all into this Donruss hunt, and I did buy 3 blasters yesterday. One holiday blaster in the middle, and I bought 2 regular blasters. At first I only had 2 blasters, and then before I checked out I decided to buy 1 more. But we're going to go ahead and do a recap of my best pulls since I didn't open those on camera. This first one is from the holiday Donruss pack. And I kind of got shorted because I got the memorabilia card, but I didn't get the red-green parallel. So here is the memorabilia card I pulled. Very nice. I've seen the patch, and it's a 3-color patch. Wow. Not bad for a sweater card. Really love the sick patch on this card. So that was the highlight from my holiday blaster. And from this one here on the left, here's the best pack that I had open. Let's go through the base here. First time seeing one of these. So this is the optic preview, but in the blasters there are a hollow parallel. So I was like, wow. Very, very cool card that they put in the blasters. I know the Mega Box has the scope, but this one has a hollow, so very nice. I don't know who Jack Campbell is. And for my last blaster box I opened, it was the icing on the cake. You know, everybody's in this hunt for the downtown parallels, and I was like, man, I've been buying a lot of this stuff. I got to this pack and I seen this card. I was like, could that be a downtown? It was turned upside down like this. And when I flipped it over, boom. Sure is a Jalen Hurts downtown. And this baby is very, very clean. So thank you guys for tuning in for the recap. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, this is going to be peace out from Donruss Sports Car Collector.